Welcome to my channel. Subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon for getting more updates. Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show that how to install the Google ADB driver in your computer. Go to the device manager in your system. Tap L and click action bar. And select add legacy information. Select the manual installation option. Select have disk and browse the ADB driver folder. Select that file. Click install. That's all. The Android ADB driver is installed. If you have any doubts, just ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for my more updates.